Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Parkside PPMA 20 Li C3 dual action polisher. I'm going to unbox it and then I will show you what was inside. The unboxing itself you won't see because I have zero space in the garage right now. So yeah, I need to do all kind of monkeys. Anyway, let's roll. Okay, boys and girls, there was obviously the carry case itself, then the machine. It comes with a spanner to hold the axle whilst you fix the backing plate on it, which is 150 mils. And also it came with a soft polishing pad, and also it came with a pile of rainforest. I'm going to have a look if I've got a 125 millimeters backing plate. In case I do, then that's what I'm going to use with. Or we'll see. Okay, boys and girls, that was the Parkside dual action polisher. I have to highlight that it's a dual action because it's not written in the instruction, it's not written on the box, and in Hungary it's not even written in the marketing material, and some people believe it's not a dual action. I even got some comments on Facebook and also on the community tab on the channel. So I have to highlight that it is a dual action polisher. Let's start with some negatives. I don't really like the ergonomy of it because, first of all, it has an on-off switch, and there is a dial which starts from 1, which is 2300 RPM, and it goes all the way to 6, which is 4500 RPM. As soon as you switch it on, it starts to spin right away. But that's just a minor issue. I don't like the position of the battery because when you put the battery on, it's not really comfortable to hold it at the handle. However, it's comfortable then to hold it at the battery. I used an 8 ampere hour battery and a 4 ampere hour battery. With the 8, it was very back heavy, and with the 4 ampere hour, it was ideal. So the weight distribution was fine with it. Also, with the 8 ampere hour battery, I could polish the first wing, first door, rear door, or front door, rear door, the rear wing in one step, plus the front wing, front door, and half of the rear door in the second step. So that was the 8 ampere hour battery. And with the 4 ampere hour, I could do one step on the half of the rear door and the rear wing, plus in 2 steps half the bonnet or hood, which is massive. It's like 3 panels on a smaller car. Unfortunately, one small part of the video is missing because the battery went flat. Even though I was keep saving the recording, one part of the recording went corrupt, the file. Other than that, you need to keep in mind that it's a super cheap machine. It's, what was it, something like 45 euros. It's around 45 euros mark, the price. Without the battery, even with the battery, it's not more than 150 euros with 2 large batteries and a charger. But obviously most of the people who are going to buy this would have some Parkside batteries and chargers at home already. Would I recommend or not? You need to keep in mind what's the price range of it. If you are not a professional, you want to polish your car once in 20 years, sure, I would recommend, why not? But if you want to use it more often, then I would recommend to maybe either buy a better one, either a battery operated, but that would be more expensive, or for the same-ish price range as the price of this machine, 2 batteries and the charger, buy a corded dual action, a branded and corded dual action polisher. That would be somewhat a better choice. Also, it has a lot of vibration, and yeah, even if I centered, well, obviously I center always the polishing pads, but there was a lot of vibration. When I stopped using it, I still felt my hand shaking. I don't have that feeling when I use my DeWalt, but my DeWalt cost considerably more, like, I don't know, more than 10 times more altogether with the batteries and such. But other than that, you've seen the before and after on the video, so it's not bad but not necessarily great either. It's okay for a hobby user, but as I said, don't expect miracles from a 45 euros machine. And I would say more or less that's that. I'm rather tired because this is a massive car and I polished it in one day. I just need to do the roof of it tomorrow, and then it's all done, polishing wise. Anyway, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.